wonderful. Thank you very much, Kyle. Another thing that really can help with your kiosk is to make sure that your customers are aware that you have a kiosk there for their convenience. And sometimes, we put the kiosk in, as Rosa said earlier, location is very important. But also, you want to have a mindful approach of making sure that you are constantly referring people to the kiosk. And there's a number of ways. We've built a lot of things into the marketing kit. So you've got your standard MMS ads and things along those lines. But there's some other things that you can do that really help to draw attention and bring awareness to the fact that you have kiosks for your customers. We provided 3 different sizes of ceiling danglers in your marketing kit, but we've also found, based on something that someone on this masterclass today shared with us, is that you can create a sign to go on top of your kiosk by taking a magnetic little bracket that you can get at Amazon. It's readily available on Amazon, and you can put the small ceiling dangler on the top of your kiosk, and it, to either order your food and beverage or what. There's, I think, 4 different versions of the ceiling danglers that you can repurpose. Another thing you can do is take the thin LED lighting, the adhesive lighting, and wrap around the top of that ceiling dangler that you put on top. You also see on your screen, you see a kiosk that's equipped with the kiosk flags. Those are available in your marketing kit. But another thing you can do is put the LED lighting around those as well. A lot of that LED lighting is programmable, so you can have it chase, you can have it flash, you can mix it up, you can have it red, you can have it green, whatever. So make sure that you're utilizing that to really draw attention to it. Another thing that we've done is we've partnered with Bowling Music Network. So if you are a Bowling Music Network customer, we have produced 9 commercials in partnership with Bowling Music Network that are available today. Simply get with your Bowling Music Network rep and ask them about them, and they'll be happy to share with you and get you set up to be able to use those. These are audio commercials. Another thing, don't forget about putting a custom QR code of your menu on table stickers. Again, those table stickers are a part of your marketing kit. You can customize them, you can send them wherever you need to get them printed. Make sure that when you have your league meetings, which we're past that now, but we always have, mid-season leagues or whatever, or even preparing next year for your summer, don't forget some of the things you're doing now, you need to continue to do. Not just because the kiosk is new now, but continue to do it because your customers are new. So make sure when you have your organizational meetings, you're letting your league bowlers know that you have kiosks for their food and beverage orders to make it a lot more convenient for them. And another thing, I like to throw this out because for me, it's something that is a real big convenience. When you have birthday parties on the floor and your snack bar is a little bit overwhelmed, feel free to refer all your food and beverage orders during that time to the kiosk so that your person at the snack bar taking orders can go assist the back staff in getting those orders out into the birthday parties in time. So this works great, and it's certainly a way to rejuvenate your staff members as well. So those are a few of the things you can do from inside your center to draw awareness.
Yeah, so Dottie mentioned creating in-center awareness, which is very important. And also, just as important, is creating outside center awareness. You have social media, there's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok's a big one. You get very creative with that. And if you have trouble, I've talked with people that, I don't use TikTok. Speak to some of your employees. They would have a blast helping out with this. So a lot of them are probably using it on their own personal one. So if you need help with that, that's a good way to reach out. You can do it through email. There's a marketing kit, you can send out to people in your database. There's you could add reminders to your center website, put on Concur web email confirmation. There's just some of the ways that you can do that. Dottie, I know next you want to talk about the kiosk promotional marketing kit.
Yes, I absolutely do. So, Orly, one of the things that we wanted to do with Kiosk is that we wanted to give you a sampling of some of the material that we had in the marketing kit that we had developed. And again, a lot of this material was based on feedback from when we went and talked to you guys, asking what would be helpful for you to have in a kit. And so we created a sampling kit of a few of the pieces that we wanted to make sure that you were aware of the printed material. And we boxed that all up and we sent that out complimentary from Cubica AMF to kind of kickstart you, to kind of give you an idea of how this was going to work in your center. You'll see we've got some ceiling danglers in there, we've got some flags, kiosk flags, and so on and so forth. That was just a small sampling. We have made all of these things available at qamfmarketingkits.com. You can even customize them. You can put your QR code on there. You can provide the printer your QR code. They'll put it on there for you. You can order it directly from them and they will ship it to you. So this promotional marketing kit, most of you that are on the call, if you already have a kiosk, should have already gotten this kit. If you are getting ready to purchase it, then you will be getting a promotional kit. I will say, I hope all of you look to the very bottom of the box, because one of the first kits that went out was to Mr. John Lacido, who's on the call today. And lo and behold, we actually were filming it because there was some stuff at the bottom that he didn't know about. So he had to dig a little deeper. So if you haven't opened your box, dig a little deeper, folks, because there's stuff at the bottom. So anyway, so that should have already gone out. Any feedback on those kits?
Dottie, I will say that I think that it actually started driving some business to my kiosks, the signage and all the stuff that was in it. It was the
Awesome.
only change I made was doing that and noticed a noticeable difference.